Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today we are going to walk you through how to cancel autocorrect on Android so you can type exactly what you mean without the phone changing your words. While it can be helpful, sometimes you just want full control over your own spelling and slang. So now let's get started. Step 1 is to tap on the gear or cog icon located right above the keyboard while you have any messaging app open. This icon serves as the direct shortcut to your keyboard settings, allowing you to customize your typing experience without digging through the main phone menus. Step 2 involves you needing to tap on the text correction option or search for corrections and suggestions within the menu. This specific section houses all the smart features of your keyboard, like predictive text and spell check, which are designed to assist your writing. Step 3 is to toggle off the autocorrection switch to stop the device from automatically replacing the words it thinks you misspelled. Disabling this feature ensures that every letter you type stays exactly as you intended, which is vital for using unique names or different languages. Step 4 is to press the back button twice to return to your typing screen and exit the settings panel. This final step saves your new preferences and allows you to immediately test out your keyboard to ensure that the automatic changes are finally gone. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.